Miss Kitty pretty and she bright and she witty.
Hey, what's up, Burritos? What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to another Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today I have a topic, G's and P's. I'm sure you don't want to hear about it. It is all about the fluffy diva, the queen of la 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 la. Apparently, she is about to sue somebody because they made some claims and accusations that she is denying. She is saying that this person is being what the big brother shoes for among them kings and queen. Duplicitous. That this person is duplicitous and this person is coming for her character and she is not approving of that message. So let me just give you the entire story now. So some weeks ago, I saw this gentleman. Apparently, his name is, what the brother name? Something about one can. I saw one can. What kind of artist name that? But anyway, so this brother is known in some circles as a journalist. His actual government name is Milton. I saw his name go Milton, if I'm not being mistaken. And you know, him used to write articles and all kind of things. And now him must transition into a dancehall artist. Well, he's trying to jump into that space, and so he recently released a single called VIP Girl, in which he called up several popular Jamaican entertainers, artists, public figures in his songs, such as Yendi. Him call up the likes of Miss Kitty, as mentioned, like every Shenshea, Jada Kingdom, every anybody that this brother could have found on Instagram, him mentioned in the song. Only can take a little piece of it right now.
Have a feeling she'd feel me. Spice would that do me right, but me no won't get time.
Yes. And since then, I guess, you know, at the moment the song has over 116,000 views on YouTube. And you know, I guess because him called the people them name, the song has received some amount of traction. And you know, the other day, Miss Kitty, she discussed, you know, talking about the things that she wants from a man, and that any man who wants to date her, he must have to kind of pass the little stage here of being able to kind of spend a little money upon her and cover certain little, you know, essential needs or, you know, whatever requirements that she wants. And so I guess this kind of catapulted Mr. One Can to go and to do this interview detailing and mentioning that he once upon a time dated Miss Kitty, Khadid Hilton, the fluffy diva. Now, let me just read the article. Say, hold on. So it's a well-known journalist, Milton Ray. Oh, Milton Ray. Oh, my God, say Milton Walker. Oh God, I think that's a journalist, if I'm not being mistaken. Jesus beam. Milton Ray, going by the stage name One Can, is generating a buzz with his latest single, VIP Girl. That in one of the lines of the song, he references celebrity journalist Miss Kitty as he sings, Miss Kitty pretty and she bright and witty. Fluffy cut size, no she right for be with me. Okay, alright. And it goes on to say, interestingly, One Can dated Miss Kitty a few years ago. So he must have first-hand knowledge of the fluffy diva. He says, when I dated Miss Kitty, I never spent anything close to $80,000, although she did eat a lot, and it did cost me over $8,000 for her food. $8,000? I really want big. Wait, hold on. She had fish and something else. It was surprising to me that she had 2 meals on our date at one sitting, and I found it strange and I was truly put off by it because I was the one paying the bill. I did think she was a nice girl, but I wondered why she ate so much, and that was a turn off for me. One Can told 1876entertainment.com. The 80,000 reference was in regard to a statement that Miss Kitty made recently that it would cost at least $80,000 to groom her so that she can go out with a man. In a recent video circulated widely on social media, Miss Kitty boldly declares that she not struggle with nobody boy pitney and that she hated broke men. Oh wow. So it goes on to say the artist, when named One Can, must say we had some nice conversations I was introduced to her by a friend, Roland. We went to Pepper's where we had food and drinks and chatted. Afterwards, she sat and chatted in her vehicle for about an hour. She was driving her mother's SUV at the time. She was doing radio at Radio Jamaica, he said. Oh my God. Him said that there was little chemistry between them. But to be honest, she was not all attractive at the time. Wait. Milton Ray is calling Miss Kitty like not all attractive. Although I do not mind fat women, she was honestly very big and ugly at the time. We talked on the phone after that and we had several good conversations. I considered going on a second date with her, but the fact that she had eaten so much weighed heavily on my mind. One can said, no, me no, Jesus Christ, me no think me even want to go on further than this. Hold on, this is Milton Ray. And Milton Ray is going to be talking about this woman's attractiveness. Boy, oh boy, the gall, man. The gall and the bladder. Jesus, P man, Milton Ray. Oh, wow. This just Jesus, P man. Like, this just, I can't read some of this. Milton, journalist. Like, must, journalist. Like, this is, like, when Miss Kitty hurt you. Like, this come like a some Pierce Morgan thing and, what the woman name again, where she did with Harry? Megan, Jesus, P man, me, oh gosh, man, no. What kind of hurt you go through? Eh? You don't want Miss Kitty la 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 la. You don't want Miss Kitty do that and she never do it and no, you just hurt. What is going on, Milton? Woo! But anyway, so Miss Kitty now, like, she hear about all of these claims that Milton Ray had said, and she is not having it. Now, according to the Jamaica Star, they must say, attorneys representing broadcaster Kadeen Miss Kitty Hilton has written to the reggae dancehall artist 11 Can, threatening legal action over allegedly defamatory remarks made by the entertainer in an article on a dancehall website. In a pre-action letter to the 11 Can on Thursday, Miss Kitty, through Wilkinson Law, claims that allegations made by the entertainer of the pair once going on a date are an outrageous lie. She is demanding a written apology from the 11 Can, admitting that his allegations of a date were false and defamatory. Or instructions are that the statements highlighted in the article are untrue and highly defamatory of our client. The said article with its defamatory comments has been communicated to many persons. Further, many individuals have shared and reshared the article with the likelihood that it might be communicated potentially to millions of people via the World Wide Web. This poses a serious threat to our client's personal and professional reputation, the lawyers wrote. The lawyers are also seeking damages for the defamatory comments that have caused the client great distress and have affected her reputation adversely, and other untrue comments made. If the apology is not produced and published online using the same forum, then Wilkinson's law firm will file proceedings to the Supreme Court on Friday, April 23rd at 4:30 p.m., the letter stated. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow. Like, actually I reply like Miss Kitty now. Wow. Oh gosh. So let's just see if 1 Can will actually, apologize if what he said was untrue. It kind of came out of nowhere, but the man I try boss as an artist, and I know how the little artist thing go. People will do anything for kind of get some little video light, some little traction, so that they can get their name and their music and their brand out there, and it doesn't matter at what cost that comes. So Berry does write about no more of area. Are you team Milton Ray or team Miss Kitty Hilton? Do you think that Milton is saying, we must say a true something you actually believe him? Say him and Miss Kitty used to go out and that Miss Kitty they eat 2 meal and over $8,000 and all kind of things? Or do you think so this man has to come out and just tell one bag of lie and all kind of things because he want him song forget a little buzz, and him know say if him call up Miss Kitty name, she go up and him a thing set her, she go up and read and then talk about it, and then people are gonna go to the song. I want to hear your views. Please to leave a comment below. Alright? Well, that is it for this countdown quickie. I am Duttyberry. Thanks for tuning in. You know, it's a countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. You know, the usual, like, you know, may I beg you for just subscribe, because we are trying to get to 300,000 subscribers on this channel. Make sure say, you know, you can check out the latest social media countdown and all of these things. Alright, so take care until next time. Okay, tata.